Cari crew, we're good, man. As y'all can see, we are in the car, obviously, and it's a POV, you know what I'm saying? But before I get into anything, man, sorry for dragging, you know what I'm saying? I just really started my day, man. 3:28, really started my day. But the first thing I needed to do, man, was get a video, because I'm trying to stay consistent. And I will be consistent, you know what I'm saying? 10K on the way, but like I was finna say, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. And also, I'm tripping. I put that thing in sport. You know what I'm saying? I'm turning traction all the way off. You know what I mean? I'm probably gonna, you know what I'm saying, do nothing. 'Cause I don't know how the video gonna end. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, wrong, buddy. But, yeah, Cari crew, man. Like I was saying, like the video, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let all on down. Let them down evenly, Cari crew. But yeah, man. Today, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm finna be driving my Scatpack, my loud Scatpack, man, through the hood, man. Through the real hoods over there across the street, you know what I'm saying? But once I get there, whenever these folks get out my way. Oh my goodness. Oh. It'd probably be better if I hold the camera like this anyway. I don't know why I never thought of that. Well, yeah, man. Oh, it's like a nice little dip right here. Hold on, Cari crew. Yeah. But yeah, man. But we straight to it, though. Straight to it, though, man. But yeah, Cari crew, man. I'm finna just get y'all this nice little POV right quick, man. Just ride through the hood, man. And see what reactions I can get. See what reactions I can get, man. If anybody outside. It was one dude outside. Oh, it's a dead end? Oh. I was gonna say, dang, just like that. Let's see what poppin', man. You got a kid over there. Man, I got a dirt in my eye, and I ran over a pothole or a sewer hole. That's the only why I ran it over. Over that pothole. I'm at that sewer hole, man. Damn, shit go crazy. Damn, shit go crazy. We're gonna go to the next hood, man. Off to the next hood, man. Look at bro right here. Let me give bro a little show. Cari crew, man. I'm just giving y'all really just straight. Dang, I should have went down there. Straight action, man. Let's go to the next hood. Go to the next hood, man. We hood hopping. Hood hopping. Ooh. It's a roundabout over there. Car crew, what y'all think, man? They're too close to the main street. Oh, dang, this a roundabout too? I should have whipped that bit. I ain't coming back through here no more. I'm gonna do a car. I wanted to. I ain't gonna do it, man. This ain't one of them. I want to do a little slide video. I might slide one time, video. One little turn. I might slide one little turn. I hate when that bitch shit by itself. Well, I mean, I do it on purpose when I want to just do that. I don't think it's nothing down. But yeah, car crew, man. My bad. I've been trying to get y'all this exhaust tall, man. But yeah, man. But yeah, car crew, man. Y'all just let me know what else y'all would like to see, man. Just let me know what y'all would like to see. You know what I'm saying? My bad. I'm trying to see where I want to go. There's no folks over there. Yeah, car crew, man. I really ain't talking too much. Cause I'm just trying to get y'all this footage. I know y'all don't like me really talking like that, you know what I'm saying? Most of the time I be talking too much. By the way, I do have traction all the way off. So for any of y'all folk that like to be talking about, so that's all Scats do is spin. I mean, traction is all the way up, my boy. Ain't gonna do that all the time. Just like then. Ain't gonna do that, man. But yeah, man. Basically just doing pulls in the hood, man. As y'all can see where we at. You know what I'm saying? Not a little hood, ain't too bad. Too much. Outside, by the way. There's a dude standing outside right here. Is it better for me to hold the camera right here or like this? I be trying to show the whole thing, but I think it's better for me to hold it right here. I be forgetting, man, but I be just trying to get y'all the wide angles, y'all can see everything. So just in case if it ain't pointing directly, y'all still can see. You know what I'm saying? What I'm trying to show y'all. I should just go across the street. It's a neighborhood, it's a hood over there. y'all a quick little vlog, man. Dang, man, this side clear. This side, man, come on, folks. Don't worry about it. Come on, man. You folks playing. Get it later. I ain't never been back here. You go ahead. I ain't never been back here before. Obviously, cause this ain't my hood. Oh yeah, like T-Pain be saying. From the hood, man. That's all my hood. Oh. Chill out. But yeah, man. But yeah, y'all let me know which one. It's like my window. I ain't never smelled. Now I can smell the fume for real. Goodness. I ain't never smelled like that. Should I go out? Ooh, I'm finna do it. All right, cool. Let me back up a little bit. I don't know if my nose is sticking out. But yeah, man. That was a quick little POV I just wanted to give y'all, man. On the grind, on the hustle, man. Being consistent. I'm trying to get a video every day if I can, Car Crew. Literally every day, bro. I just dropped a video yesterday. This the next day, and I'm recording something else. And it probably will drop today. You know what I'm saying? It's only 3:40. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, y'all go listen to that new Lil Baby album, by the way. You know what I'm saying? If y'all ain't listen to it, well, that be hard, boy. Lil Baby, my favorite rapper, man. Y'all didn't know, now you know. You know what I'm saying? But that boy, that cold. I mean, I ain't meat right now. Folks be saying like, now you know he got a few songs. Well, he got like a few songs I don't really, you know what I'm saying? I don't care for. They alright, but like as a whole of a song. But his part, yeah. But the song I did, or depending on who was in it and what they did, it's just whatever on some of them. But majority of the album was hard though, bro. But I ain't gonna sit here and say he just. I don't know if he, you know what I'm saying, went 23 for 23. I be like. On my favorite song, I got like a good 7 to 8. I got like a good 8 to 9. I don't know. But I still gotta keep listening to him. You know what I'm saying? So don't be on my head. But yeah, man. Anyway, like I was saying, man, I'm on the grind, man, to get that 10K. You feel me? Like I gotta get it. I gotta do it. This line so long. I'm gonna find another way to go back to the crib. But yeah, man. Like I was saying, man, on the grind, man, the 10K. Get your boy the 10K the quick way, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, you feel me? We on the way, Car Crew. We on the way. Should I jump in front of him, do like that lady did? Nah, I ain't gonna do it. She wasn't gonna let me do it anyway. But yeah, man, we gotta get straight to these windows, though. We gotta get back to it, man. We gotta get that 10K, man. Gotta go crazy, Car Crew. So y'all run it up for me, man. Get the video to 100 likes, bro. I just asked for 100 likes. You know what I'm saying? Something simple. Let me get 100 likes, man. More than 100 y'all that watch the video. You know what I'm saying? At least let me get 100 likes, you know what I'm saying? So, anyway, like I also said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve. Any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man, and sky's the limit, you can touch it. You feel me? For all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Pray to him every day, man. Tell him thank you for the things that you do have and that you don't got and what you can have. You know what I'm saying? And things of that nature. But also, Car Crew, man. Like I also said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.